I predicted that there would be good number of questions from public finance. I predicted that there would be good number of questions from public finance, monetary policy, even money and capital market. मैं अभी आपको PYQ analysis नहीं बता रहा हूँ. Simply I'm just going to highlight that, okay, look at the questions. How many it is coming up in economy in the prelims examination and from economy in the mains examination. Let us see that. First of all, look at this PYQ analysis for prelims examination. Every year I always say, yes, some year there have been greater than 20 also. But I say that just expect around 16 to 18 questions from this particular subject. But what is interesting thing is that 16 to 18 questions that come from the economy come from that a syllabus which is directly covered. Directly syllabus se aata hai plus the conceptual understanding which I give. And even if the question is about analytical understanding, वो तो आप आराम से कर लोगे if you have gone through my lectures. ये analysis देखो. Clear? I'm not going to talk about the analysis. But last prelims, like that means prelims 2024 के लिए, I predicted that there would be good number of questions from public finance. I predicted that there would be good number of questions from public finance, monetary policy, even money and capital market. Those who have gone through my UC prelims lectures, in that orientation lecture itself, I told you these three topics were one of the most important topics from where you can expect the question. और 2025 में आप क्वेश्चन देखो, 10 क्वेश्चन, 17 में से 10 क्वेश्चन, 50% क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम these three topics. आपको लग रहा होगा सर आपने कब बोला? Just watch this clip and you will realize that अरे हाँ यार, the questions have been asked from this particular topic itself. अब आप देखना, एक टाइम था that public finance was a very dominant area. So this year I am expecting 2025 that there would be good questions from the public finance. One area which I am expecting this year is public finance. Second, monetary policy too. Otherwise, overall you will find out that this is a decent subject, decent topic from where the questions are being asked. बैंकिंग का वेटेज सडनली एकदम से डिक्रीज हो गया. बैंकिंग एक टाइम पे बहुत टॉप लेवल था, लेकिन उसका सडनली वेटेज डिक्रीज हुआ है. ये वेटेज गया कहाँ बैंकिंग का? दिस वेटेज हैज गॉन टू फाइनेंशियल मार्केट. द वेटेज ऑफ बैंकिंग हैज गॉन टू फाइनेंशियल मार्केट. सोचो एक टाइम पे बहुत बड़ा डोमिनेंस था बैंकिंग, देन फाइनेंशियल मार्केट. तो फाइनेंशियल मार्केट जो एक होता है ना, वैसा टॉपिक आप बोल सकते हो. ऐसा होता है लोग डरते हैं इस टॉपिक से. स्टूडेंट्स स्पेशली दे आर fearing from this particular topic, but you have to do it. You see, without this you won't be able to achieve that 80% accuracy. So I hope you now believe in this, that guys, whenever I'm telling you something, it is based on some concrete analysis. It is based on my understanding over the last 8+ years. It is based on my understanding of mentoring 1,000+ civil servants. And it is based on my understanding of making around 10,000+ pages, guys, and being the best-selling author. So you have to believe in the facts. Again, I'm telling you, not believe in my words, believing in the facts. When I've said this time I'll also come again that okay, which topic will be the most important. But ये मैं अभी क्यों नहीं बताता हूँ? क्योंकि अभी फिर क्या करोगे, आप सिर्फ वही टॉपिक पे इंपॉर्टेंस दोगे. Clear? So you look at every year 16 to 18 questions, and I'm telling you more than 80% of the questions will be from our lectures and notes.